which button brings us in. I think it was that one. There we go. Okay. So, we're back where we were at yesterday. Um, I did a little like a smidge bit of planning for this. Um, and I cleaned up most, if not all, of these loops. So we should be good to go. Um, so basically, we have like four different like types of loops, right? We have ones that have like a start, a loop, and an end. We also have songs that have two different loops, um, with a transition between them. We also have a loops two. We also have loops that have two different loops that don't have a transition. Um, that you can interchange, right? And we have songs that have more than one loop and transitions between both of the loops, to like one to the other, and um, it has an end. It has to end on one loop. Um, so that's what we're gonna be attempting to implement today. And in order to do that easier, um, I'm going to uh, take I'm gonna take this here and put it into a struct. So instead of having these, um, we'll have these properties instead. These fields. Is bool a valid type in oh right. Can I just run the last build? Perfect. Let's see. Multi. Okay, so how do we do a dictionary in Rust? Let's see. Hash map. Is this it? Is this the dictionary type or no? I don't think it is. Wait, so hash map is the dictionary type. Uh, okay. Hash set. The placeholder underscore not allowed within type signatures on item signatures. Okay. Do I have to actually like define it like that? Yeah, okay. Um how do I make a so this needs to be a list of of loop numbers. Is this valid? Can I do this? I think I can. It's not complaining. We can change the display here. We should make it so that it doesn't repeat the same song twice in a row. That's something. ID is actually, let me save these for later. Song gets pushed into the ID here. Has end, let has end equal file fs, right? That's the you should create a constructor for song. Spelling out all the field names all the time is annoying. Yeah, but I only need to do it once. Right? I only need to do it like right here. But it would be good to learn how to write a constructor. I suppose. Song or Rust struct to write constructor. They're not really constructors. Ah, I see. I see what you mean. Okay. Well, that's not too bad. I honestly I prefer doing it like this, because like this is, I mean, this is what I'm going to be putting into the constructor anyway. And I would prefer not to do like logic inside of a constructor, really. Rust check if file exists. Okay. FS metadata for this. Try is an old thing. The Rust 1.0 added the question mark operator. That's good to know. Is okay. Can I just do that? Can that work? I think it does. Let mute multi loop count Let's see. So I was looking into Rodeo more because I wanted to play around with the built-in filters, and boy, the ducks are opaque on that topic. Yeah, I maybe I just don't know enough about Rust yet to like really understand like what the hell's going on, but like some of these docs are like not super obvious, but you know, it's a new language, new packages, new everything. I wouldn't I'm not like super expecting like perfect documentation. And it just crashed. That was pretty good timing. Um, let's see. I want to do a while loop. No. Uh, just loop. Well, I wanna loop while checking for files to see if they exist. So I think instead loop loop num. Oh, right. Rust doesn't have the plus plus operator. I forgot about that. Uh, multi-loop count equals plus equals 1. What are you doing? I'm working on a program to play music in the background of my stream based on these loops that I have. So varying like the length of the loops and transitioning between them and stuff like that. The weirdest part was that the examples are currently broken. Really, for the rodeo package? That's funny. It's actually really funny. Okay, add that. That should work. Thanks for the follow, Ifirid. It looks like they're using a deprecated way of grabbing the sync. Well, that's not good. That's not great. Why did you choose to write it in Rust? I haven't done Rust before, and I wanted to learn it. And I figured this would be like a simple enough program to do. And plus, I wanted to do it in something that was low level since I was working with audio. And I didn't want to do it in C++. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Wow, look at that. It guessed the type. Dude. It guessed the type from that. That's crazy. That's awesome. The type guessing shit is really good. Wow, look at that. I am impressed. I'm thoroughly impressed. Okay. So this, do I need to like initialize the hash set? I think I do. And it crashed again. Can I do it like other languages? Hash set new? Okay. You don't need to spell out the type? Okay. Uh, do I actually need to spell out the type in this case? Because it's not giving me the right type, it looks like. What does the error say? It says uh mismatch types. Error lens plugin. You do that. Improved highlighting errors. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Let's try it. Let's try it out. Ooh, I like that. That's cool. So let's see. For loop num in actually for n in 0 to loop multi loop count. It'd probably be easier if I zero indexed my loops. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Just real quick. I would rather do that instead of messing with this other shit. Whoops. Yeah. 1, 2, 0. Okay. So now I don't need to start it at 1. Oh, and this is not mutable. Wait, does that matter? Can I do plus equals on a number if it's not mutable? That doesn't make sense. Does it like assume the mutable? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Well, I don't need that anyway. Multi-loop count equals 1. Else. Unnecessary parentheses. Oh, right. I'm so used to writing parentheses around stuff. Yeah, everything is constant by default. Yeah, I actually like that. I think that makes it more clear. At least to like the compiler. It is weird. It is weird. loop. Oh wait, I probably need two different loops here. I don't like how my cursor ends up on the other side of the type hints. That's kind of annoying. Is there a way I can turn that off? That'd be like super nice. I mean, not the type hints themselves, but like the cursor after the type hints. Music crashed again. Sooner we get this done, the faster we can get constant music. That's kind of hard to explain, but let's say the method. Ah, okay. Oh, that's actually really interesting. That's good to know. Oh, whoops, this is not supposed to be a bowl. Whoops. If from to continue. Uh, valid transitions. Yeah, it is. The second time is the initial random state. I actually spent 3 hours on the clock of IT time going through Rust today. I stopped at the threading stuff. uh, in the song struct. Oh, really? So how do I make this like a dictionary that has like a vector as the value? I mean, I don't think it would make much sense to be able to have it in the struct because I think it would have to be a reference to like a vector, not the actual vector itself in the struct. In fact, hash set type is actually hash map. Oh. Oh, I'm dumb. I was misreading. Uh, yeah, yeah. I'm I misread that. So wait, how does hash map work? cannot find, oh, that would be why. Hash map. Map. New. Okay. Bring back music. There we go. From, yeah, how many times we're gonna hear this intro today? Yeah, it is a good intro. I'm very happy with it. I spent a lot of time making these loops for the video. Okay, can I do something like this? Not quite. No. Do I need to clone this? No. Expected reference found integer. Oh, wait. I need this as a string. Mismatch types. Yeah, actually, let's just have them as integers anyway. Because the loops are not going to have names, but the songs could have different names. And from toString. But now that I've changed it to integers, it should be just and from, right? Type annotations needed for hash map. No. Wait, what? Cannot infer type for parameter v. So for the value. Don't know what that's about. Actually. Can I even put a vector in a struct? Like, is that like legal? Because I always thought that structs were, you can? Okay. I always thought that like structure had to have like a set size. Valid transitions get mute from unwrap push to, oh, and from get mute. Guess the mutable reference to the value corresponding to the key. Vector has a set size? Okay. It's a pointer to the data use size, capacity, use size. Okay, that's what I thought. I didn't know if it like handled that automatically. That's useful. What? Yeah, try to run the compiler. Yeah, okay. Oh, well, I have other later errors later. Let's actually go ahead and fix these. Song ID start OGG and OGG song. Loop OGG. Okay, fix those. Consider giving valid transition the explicit type. Usually offers fixed suggestions. Yeah, I've actually been pleasantly surprised with the error messages. They're not too bad. Like especially with how like weird Rust can be sometimes. Ah, let's try that. No, doesn't like that. Insert, not push. No. Oh, I get what you're saying. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not like initializing the vector. Is that it? Like for this value in the hash map, I'm never initializing. Yeah, okay. So, if let's see, Rust if check if hash map has key. Oh, that's nice. If valid transitions contains key, uh, insert from and value a vector with type I32 new. Is that what I'm looking for? Vec new? Okay. No. Oh, wait. Okay. I thought those were type annotations. Uh, whoops. Vec is a struct. Vec is a Vec with an exclamation mark is a macro. I gotcha. Okay. Well, hmm. found and I32. Oh. Ah. Okay. It worked. See, now we're getting the skipping. I think it's only when I'm streaming. I think it's only when I'm streaming. Okay, so I have to run it in release mode when I'm streaming, which is good to know. Like I checked the CPU usage off stream of the stream looper, right? In debug mode, and it was like at like 24%. It was wild. It was using 24% of one core. There we go. Okay, so now that we're constructing all of our information correctly, let's also put this information in the display. Is there like a string interpolation thing where I can do like self.end like that? I believe I saw something like that, right? Rust format. Oh, but you have to do that. Yeah, I'll just stick to doing it like this. Oh, whoops. Other than that, there's nothing. That's unfortunate. Wait, what? What did I do? Oh. Len. Okay. Mismatched types. What? Where? What is that? What? Did I do something wrong? Drop the semicolon? Oh. Okay. Weird. Why do I have to drop the semicolon there? I thought this was a line of code. Or, oh wait, no. This is like a constructor. This is a function that returns a result with like this constructor. Like this is not like the function contents. This is like a constructor contents kind of thing. This is a trait method returns a result. Okay. Okay. Well, that's good to know. And it builds. There we go. Write is a macro that attempts to write into that F formatter object. Oh, okay. Okay. Playing current song. Let's see if it reads out or constructs the song structs correctly. Song 5 has end false. That's correct. Loop count 1. Not quite. Not quite. All regular macros must end with a bang. Ah, okay. Transitions 0. That is true. It says only have one loop there though. So let's see. Or wait. No, it's yeah. Okay. So let's change this temporarily to 5. Or actually, it would be 4, no. No, it would be 4 technically. There's also macros like derive, those are used as attributes. Okay. Okay, so it's saying I only have one loop for song 5, but that is not true. That is not true. Actually, doesn't Rust have like good debugging support? I don't wanna like wait, what? It didn't print at all. Oh, because the symlinks are still there. Yeah, I need to remove those. Okay. Yeah, I did that yesterday. I need to remove these. It supports GDB and LLDB. Could I debug it from here in VS Code? And VS Code's debugging API. Perfect. That's perfect. How long have you been working on this? Since like a couple hours yesterday. I like well, I haven't been working on this for super long. I would not be this far without chat's help, let me tell you. Thank you, compiler addict. You the real homie. Let's see. So now it should grab it. Loop count 2, transitions 2. What? That's not right. That's not right. There's also a Rust plugin for CLion, but the latter costs money if you're not a student. Yeah, I've heard of CLion, but I haven't used it. I didn't know it was like a paid thing. I've heard it's good though. Um, why does it say there's two transitions? There's no transitions. Why can't I place breakpoints? What? I can't place breakpoints. It's not giving me the little highlights. Yeah, I should be able to, right? Like, hmm. Rest VS Code can't place breakpoints. Oh, well, let's try that. I mean, now I get the thing back. Yeah, I just went to that link. Ah, there we go. From 0 to 1, song. What? Hmm. What does this mean? Pointer 51. Okay. What is or no, is it the other way around? Three. Yeah. Oh, wait, it's right here. Yeah. Duh. Why is it three? Oh, wait. Okay, 4, 5. Okay. From 0 to 1. Uh, okay, it doesn't exist. from one. Oh, I know why. It's because it's saying, I get it. Um, okay, so instead of doing that out here, you could do it in here instead. So the length of the transitions of the valid transitions is the number of keys in the hash map. That's something to keep in mind. Okay. So now when I run it, loop count 2, transition 0. Perfect. Okay. So now that we've confirmed that we're doing that correctly, let me turn on the music again. Uh oh right, because I disabled this. Yep, there we go. So first things first, we can move this end stuff down here. And only do that if the song, current song has end. Right? We're definitely gonna need to change how many times it repeats based on the transitions and stuff. But if the transition count, or if the loop count, current song dot loop multi-loop count equals 1, then we can do it like this. Perfect. And then I'll probably refactor this a little bit later to be a bit cleaner. But I just want to get the logic out first. So let's see. Oh, hang on. No, wait. Yeah, these are integers. Okay. No, we're good. If transitions current song dot valid transitions length, there are no transitions, then repeat the loop I guess we should have like a few different variables here. Instead of repeat count, loop transitions. That'll be from 1 or 0 to 3, maybe. And loop none. Are you using Clippy? No, I'm not. It's a Rust linter. I thought we already had a Rust linter. I thought that's otherwise wouldn't show errors, would it? I mean, they're compiler errors, but like, let me see what it does. Collection of lints to cache common mistakes and improve your Rust code. Okay. This is a like a style thing mostly, right? I'll definitely look into that a little bit later. I want to write that down. Right. But for example, you're doing len equals 0. Tell you to use empty. Ah, okay. Well, that's good to know about. Actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and do that now then. Rust up component add Clippy. Cargo Clippy. Cool. Will it show up automatically in VS Code? Or does it not? Do I have to install something else for it to work in VS Code? No. IDK I just have in my CI? Ah, okay. Yeah, let's check this out. Real quick. That didn't sound right. Hmm. Where do I put that? I put it in the settings. Yeah. Clippy preference controls the eagerness of Clippy diagnostics when available. Okay. Yeah, I have a on ah. What does this do? Oh, okay, yeah. Well, I don't want to do that just yet. Actually, this is really gonna bug me, so I'll just comply for now. Let repeats is there like a way that I can like generate a vector of random a vector of random numbers? Let's see. Just generate like random numbers. Is there like a fancy one-liner it can do? Yeah, that works. Okay. Do one of these. Map. Collect. Okay. So that's that, and then loop nums. Going from 0 to current song dot multi loop count. Can I put this like in a tuple or something? Collect vec. Oh. Like, I'm repeating myself here. Like, could I just do one loop instead of doing two different ones? Because I'm effectively doing two different loops to get both of these. Yeah. For two vectors. Like, I don't know, like, I could make it a vector of tuples, I guess. I don't think you can now with standard at least. Well, I have two different vectors here, but like the indexes of the vectors like correspond with each other. Like the values that are held in these vectors, like the indexes correspond with each other. So this one's the loop number, right? So like it's either loop 1 or loop 2 to play, and then this is the number of times it repeats. Could just have a 2-value struct. That's true. That's true. Could I define a struct in here? I actually have an idea, but it's gonna look awful. Dude, I'm all for that. Tell me. I'm curious. You have me intrigued. Aren't there tuple-shaped structs? I have no idea. Okay, give me 2 minutes. Yeah, I'll go for it. I'll handle that later. Oh, okay. All right, let me see this. Yeah, that's one option. But what if hmm vec implements display. Oh, or debug rather. Ah, okay. That's good. Well, the problem I have with this is that it's still two separate vectors. Like I think I think I would want it so that the values are together, so you don't have to index two different vectors. Yeah, now that you showed me this, I think I could implement it myself. Uh, let's try it. So instead of just having the one value, just do it like this, right? That's valid. Perfect. So yeah, that's what I need. Uh, and use variable x. Can I just exclude x, or does it complain about that? Ah, underscore. Okay. Okay. Then I want loop play. Or can I unpack the values in here? Loop num repeats. Or do I have to surround it with? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Um, yeah, progress. We're making progress. In 0 dot dot loop or repeats. You have to go. Have a good stream. Yeah, thanks, dude. Thanks for stopping by. You've been like a huge help. Really appreciate it. Okay, good. I think. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, so I think we should enforce that it starts on loop 0. There's gotta be some way I can, like, get rid of this repeated code. I mean, a function, obviously, but, like... I think that's a later problem. I want to get the logic out. So this is gonna be the hard one because I have I have to use the transitions to transition between the loops, and I don't want to do it like forever. I don't want it to last too long, but I also don't want it to be too short. Let's see. I'm thinking like a state machine. Like have the transition be too short, or the song as a whole? I mean the song as a whole too short. Hmm. And sometimes I don't have a transition to go back, right? So that's why I've defined the state or the loop transitions like they are. So let's see. Let mute current loop num equal 0. We'll start on loop 0. And we'll... I guess we'll create like a flow first, and then start appending the source loop to the sinks. So let mute flow equals vec did I do this earlier? Yeah, okay. So starting at current loop num, technically. For I guess do loop transitions 0 to 3. Actually, we'll have it be 1 to 3. That was short. I guess I need to up that up here as well. Transition. Gotta love repeated null times, yep. Loop transitions. Okay. So for the first transition, we'll take the current song and grab the possible next loops. Current song, index by current loop num. Cannot index into a value of type song. Oh wait, valid transitions. There we go. Cannot move out of index. Well, I don't want to move it. I just want to borrow it. Right? Yeah. Okay. Let did it not find the loopable parts of the song there? No, it played. I don't know what happened. That was kind of weird. That was for song 3. Oh, it's because it has a transition. It did the else clause here, and that didn't play anything. Right? It just played the intro because up here it adds the intro. That's what I think happened. Okay, I can do that. Shoot, wait, what? What type is that? You want the rand crate, specifically the choose method. That should be useful, right? Choose, perfect. With RNG there, right? Or borrowing RNG, no? And mute. Ah. Hey, Reddy. You got your golf down to 146. Nice. Good job, dude. Let flow, push, value. Clone. Or unwrap. Yeah, there we go. Is this rust? Yes. Yes, it is. Oh, I need the value here. Current loop num equals that. And then push current loop num. Yeah, it did the else clause because it's repeated the same song. Yeah, so that's what's happening. That'll be fixed once we do this. Expected I32 but found a borrowed I32. Clone. How do I like unborrow? Because I don't want it to overwrite or use the value. How long till golf and rust? Maybe, dude. I don't know if I'll be able to get around the compiler errors when doing a golf. Next loop num. And then current loop num. No. Clone. Kind of is fine to current loop num because it is borrowed. No? You don't like that? Turns a copy of the value. Thank you for the follow, Parsnip Shredder. I like borrow the clone like that, or does that not work? Shit. What can I do to this number to just use the value here? Do I even need the clone? Okay. Huh. Cannot move out of index. Okay. So then I have to borrow it for that, right? Fuck. Well, that was a good run. It played a few songs before it crashed. That's good. Um... Hmm. Do I need to clone it here? Well, I need to unborrow the value. How do I unborrow? Uh, dangling references. What is... This is hard. Here's the temporary which is freed while still in use. Can I clone this value? Aha. So now it's just an I-32. That's good. I can just push that value into flow. No? Clone. Using clone on a copy type. Wait, I can just do that? Using clone on a copy type. Oh. Oh. Was I just kind of being stupid? Wait, hold on. Okay, so I don't need to do that at all. I can just do this instead. Using clone on a copy type. Mismatched types. But wait. Oh. No? Using clone on a copy type. Mismatched types. Well, what do you want me to do? I mean, it compiles now. Replace unwrap with match. Change to... Oh, what? Oh. Okay, well, progress. Um... For loop num inflow let repeats equal RNG range gen range okay, so code golf on Rust is easy. I just got 51st in FizzBuzz. All right, maybe I'll take a look at that today. So it'll start there. I guess there's not as much competition as Python. Yeah, probably. I don't I wouldn't expect there to be, considering it's Rust. I guess repeat this loop for that number of times, and then no, I need to do this before. And then, yeah, so instead of this, actually, I don't even need to include the first loop in there, or the first one in here. I just need to transition between the loops in here instead. Dang, Code Golf doesn't include machine code, this determination. I actually saw a pull request for doing Code Golf in x86 assembly. I think I actually, considering how extensive the instruction set is, I think it would be kind of interesting to see that. So it's here. Transition. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Num. And music crashed again. There we go. To that. current loop num 0. We'll do current loop num and loop num. Current loop num equals loop num. We'll do that up here. Okay, I think that's it. It's kind of messy, not gonna lie. Cargo run release. Oh, that's not completely it. We need to be able to handle song 6, which requires the end to happen on the loop 0. Playing song with as many loop transitions. With special loop transitions. Play song 3. Please. There we go. Wait. Oh, the naming's inconsistent. There we go. I should add a command line argument to say which song to start on. Come on! Come on! There we go. Amazing. Okay, I don't know how long this is gonna go for though. I would honestly rather not read from the file so many times. I want to figure out how to get rid of this boilerplate when repeating the loop. There's a transition. There it is. Perfect. It works. No skips. No skips for anything. That's perfect. Oh, what was that? Yeah, there's definitely a skip there at the end of the transition. Let's fix that real quick. 3, 0 to 1. Is it just you don't like having the same code in different places? Well, no, it's not just that I'm reading from the file multiple times. At least I'm pretty sure it is. I'd rather not read from the file multiple times. Export as OGG. There we go. You still have the file handle, right? Fuck if I know, dude. I have no clue how this works. I think, like, I can take this buff reader and, like, maybe seek it back. I don't know. Let's try it on this one up here. Actually, I'm gonna commit this first. New looping logic. Yeah, so up here, I can take buffer, use of moved value. Yeah, does not implement the copy trait. Can I clone it? No. Can I seek? I can seek decoder. Do I have to create a new decoder even? I would rather not do that either. Yeah, there has to be a way you can recycle a file handle. By ref borrows another iterator rather than consuming it. I think that's what I want, actually. Instead. Maybe? No? Into cycle repeats an iterator endlessly. Huh. Creates an iterator which copies all of its elements. think that's what I want, maybe? Copied? Not quite. Type mismatch. Oh. Rust, reuse, tile, handle. Wait, could you package a generic iterator from iter? Maybe? Let's close some of these. Close that. Dio Rust. It died. No entry found for key. Oh. Huh. Rodeo source from iter. Uh-huh. Source. From iterator. Okay. Rodeo source from iter. Use from iter. That fix it? No. Source loop. Current source loop. Like that? Does that make it happy? No. Doesn't. Mismatch types. Wait, what? I feel like the Rust talks are missing a lot of context. Yeah. Yeah. It's this. Oh boy. Current source. What is current support source supposed to be? I don't know. Equal rodeo source. Source. New. Maybe. No, it's new, not a thing. Takes an iterator of sources and not an iterator of sound data. Well, shit. Uh, Buffered. Extracts it at the same time, extracts data from the iterator and stores it in a buffer. Okay. No? What? Is this not it either? None of these sound right. Perfect. Uh, huh. Q. Sources Q input. Sources Q output. Is this what I want? Is this what I need? Maybe? I have no idea. Sync. Append. Source. New idle. Sources Q output. Huh. Format. We're trying to reuse a source, right? Yes. I would have thought that buffered is what we want. Repeat? I'm mm, yeah, a source that repeats the given source. However, I don't think it lets me limit the number of times it gets repeated. I think it just repeats infinitely. We could try reading the source to see if uh I mean, yeah, I mean this looks like what we want, right? But like I think it repeats infinitely. Yeah, total duration none. Yeah, I think it repeats infinitely. Yeah, infinite. Okay. Sucks. Um, did I not import source? Source. Okay. Uh, New. No function. Is it, wait, is source a trait? I think it is. So what if instead I did source buffered? Buffered new. Collect, convert samples, maybe. Mm, no. That's not right. F32. Uh, you can actually do dot buffered on this one? Oh my god. What the fuck? Well, wait. No method named buffered found for decoder. We need to get the decoder into a source of some kind. Where is decoder? Is decoder's not here? How does that work? You gotta have use rodeo source or it can't find buffer. Really? That's weird. I don't necessarily like that. Okay. Wait, where was I working with? Oh, I was in the wrong place anyway. Whoops. Let's change you back. Buffered. Like that. Please. Uh, use of moved value. Borrow. The value. No. Clone. That's it. That's it, I think. Cool. It compiles. Let's change that in other places. Where's source loop being moved anyway? It's like being moved like internal. It's being moved to the other thread where the sound's being played. I'm assuming, and that means like that area of memory is like no longer valid for you. Yeah, because it's a loop. Yeah, that's precisely it. So we're doing a pretty big copy each time we load a sound bite, but at least it isn't a discrete. Exactly. Exactly. Which, honestly, it clearly doesn't take that long to read from disk that much, but uh, I think it's still better if we don't ping the disk every damn time. Listen, boy, this guy big big timed me on Twitter. Might be five head programmer, but thinks he's God. What are you talking about? Check DMs? Okay, give me a second. Give me a second. What's your Twitter handle? Oh, Parker Shamblin. Yeah, dude, I do plan on making more videos in the future. Uh, Toggle screen. There we go. Wait, did that work? Yeah, it did. Okay. Okay, so reduce file reads. So we can clean this up a smidge bit more. Glad to hear. I was just messing around. I think you could gain a big sizing very quickly. I think I could do. I think I could do pretty well. Maybe not like super huge, but like, you know, a respectable, channel. What's still causing the crashes? It's getting no such file or directory for something. Um, so maybe one of them doesn't have a start. Oh, it's because song 6 has intro instead of start. Yeah, that would be the problem, I think. Yeah, let's make a command line argument so we can pick what song it plays first. Accepting command line argument. Okay. That seems easy enough. $500K subs in 2 years is my prediction. Clipping for the future. Rather ambitious, I think. Using clone on a double reference. What? What is that about? Usage of contains key followed by an insert on a hash map? Oh. Use of or insert. Oh. Well, that's a lot smaller. But what is this about? I guess I don't need that. Called nth on an iterator. Replace unwrap with match. What? What is that? So wait, what is it complaining to me about? Next. It wants me to use next instead. Match allows for air handling. Yeah, but like I don't think that's like super necessary right now, at least. Args length. Actually, args is empty, not empty. Okay. So the 0th argument is the file name, I'm assuming, like in Python. The YouTube computer science is all jacked up. Their top channels consist mainly of three-head plebs who work at Google for 2 weeks and think they're the reincarnation of Alan Turing. I mean, kinda. Some of it's a little cringe. If metadata is okay. Right, not or. What am I doing? Yeah, there we go. There are some cool channels, yeah. I like Code Parade. Code Parade is less cringy than most of the other ones. Yeah, I like Randall. Tom Randall. He's making a game. He does devlogs. Can you use a null? Is there a null in Rust? Use optional provides that needs to be knowable. His let me find it. He's on Twitch /TV Tom Randall. I forgot what he called his YouTube channel. Here. This is him. See, we have a lot of the same follows on Twitch. No, you're good, dude. It's not like we're like on a time crunch or anything. It doesn't really matter. Another YouTuber that I like to watch is ScentDex. He does a lot of like Python machine learning stuff, and he's like really good at it. And he is, you know, they're like casual videos, like mostly like one take, kind of stuff, and it's interesting to watch. Oh, whoops. Well. Is empty. You ever watch BizQuit? That guy's insane. I believe I've seen him before. I don't remember. FS metadata args. How do I get it to... That's not the right one. I want that one. Yeah. First song equals... is okay. Yeah. And then I want args 1. Maybe. Code Bullet's okay. I think he's a little bit obnoxious, but he's alright. Have you ever done any competitive programming? Kinda, yeah. I did a local competition one time, and it was in like C++ and Java. Like you could use either of those languages. And it, you know, surprisingly, our team won. It was actually really surprising to me. I didn't expect to win. I got like $20 or something. I don't remember. It's like prize money. Yeah, I was still in high school when I did that. I believe it was my senior year. I've done like a couple of online competitions on Coding Game. That's a fortune in the competitive programming world, dude. True. How do I do an optional thing? Option. Fixed define tuple struct. I'm a freshman in university and only started coding a year and a half ago, so I never did anything programming related in high school. A lot of my time now is spent on competitive programming / leak code, though, but I don't think I'll ever be able to compete in any level. One of the first few challenges was to print a text visualization of a calendar using Python because you could use any language you wanted. There's just a standard lib tool that does that. But yeah, Parker, you know, it's, you know, the thing to do, like, is to just try anyway, and see how far you get, right? Like, if you don't try, you automatically lose out on that. But you know, eventually you'll get better, right? Like, if you spend enough time on it, you'll get better. All right, see you later, Toa. Box. I want a box, right? Rust parse int. Parse unwrap. No? It's not quite. Consider removing the borrow. What? Parse I32. Okay. Let's make it a song override instead. We can make it be the first song later. Hmm. Lip. Why would it? What am I doing? Some A. Okay. So if let actually match song override okay. Some A. And if there's no song override, do one of these. Maybe? Is that? There's definitely a skip in there. Let me fix that real quick. It's in song 6. Yeah, look at that. I thought I got most of these. Apparently not. There's a skip in the first loop too. I could have sworn I got these yesterday. Alright, see you later, Reddy. Fill match arms. What? Hang on. Apparently not doing this right. Missing a match arm. Fill match arms. Huh. Okay. Match arms have incompatible items. My ass. There's no fucking way. Found to be type I32. Expected I32 found U size. Well. Can I do that? Please? No? Oh, because this is a U size. Right, okay. How do I get len? Yeah, 32. Can I just do that? Rust I32 or use size to I32. As I32. Perfect. Cannot be indexed by I32. Oh. How about use size instead? We'll make it a use size up there. Perfect. So now if I do the actually cargo how to pass args dash dash, okay. And then it should be 4. Should run song 4. Song index 4, so it should be song 5. Yes. Perfect. It definitely sounded like there was a skip there. I'm gonna check that out. Yes, there was. It didn't work. What? I guess it just happened to be the same number. Well, shit. Oh, I know why. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. If we'll just assume that it's fine. Perfect, yeah. In a past broadcast, you said to be returning to university soon. If you don't mind me asking, are you a grade student and where do you attend? I'm in college. And I attend a college in the tri-state area. I don't know if I want to completely give out that information, although it is, well, it's publicly accessible anyway. So I go to Stevens Institute of Technology. That worked. Add song override argument. Okay. I mean, I could implement this. Yeah, I think I'll go for it. so the yeah, when building the valid transitions, let's make it so that it it should also contain like a transition to the end. That's what this is pretty much. Let's see. If metadata path loop dash end push actually, this should be outside there. Can I push like an optional thing or a none? Can I do that? Yes, I can. Oh, no, I can't. I guess I could just treat -1 as the end. And then no, actually, that'll fuck with, I think that'll fuck with, different cases, but, nah, I don't think it matters. I don't think it matters that much. Because I was thinking, like, what if I had a song where I didn't have these transitions, but I had a specific ending for one of the loops, like so like it had to end on one of the loops, but I don't think that matters. If it does, I can handle it later. There we go. Oh, index out of bounds. Hmm. While while current loop num less than 0. Do that. It's kind of cheap, but and then oh, if it does transition to the end, it needs to have it needs to set has end to true. Yeah, so has end equals true. Cannot assign immutable variable twice. Whoops. Does that fix it? Not quite. Okay. Or, no, I don't want to do that. I want to debug. Oh. Uh. Huh. This is definitely going to be a lot more complicated than I initially thought. I wonder if it'd be I wonder if it'd be worth my time to implement a planning algorithm like I did for the for that is the same one I did for the cooking bot. Um, because honestly, this is the logic that I did for this does not really handle this case very well. Uh, hmm. Yeah, so let's just revert back for now. What? Yeah, no, it's not supposed to override here. And so if args on length greater than or equal to, or actually it's greater than 1, rather. That should fix it. Yeah, so let me get a better view of this. I think I could get this out. I could like stop repeating myself here. I could get it out of here and put it into a function. This like reading the file and making it into a source and whatnot. So I'm gonna do that. Function get song segment song string segment as string, or instead of get song segment, read song segment. Yeah. Grabbing the file and the source song. Oh yeah, I could just pass it in a song like that. That'd be much better. Source, or no, file. This returns source. What? Unneeded return statement. What are you talking about? What's going on here? Oh. I don't like the implicit returns. I don't think that's cool. I think that's lame. But it wants me to do it. Okay. Segment as str. No? What? Oh. Whoops. Okay. So I could replace this with current song and start. I guess that I don't need it to be a string. It can be a stir. The size for values of type cannot be known at compile time. Shit. Well, can you just take the reference? Yeah, you sure can. Yeah, I only want to borrow the song. I don't need to keep it. A trait bound is not satisfied. What are you talking about? Fuck. Returns the contained OK value. Okay. Oh. Oh. I don't need the semicolon? Huh. Okay. And then for the loops, read song loop song and song let's see. I need the loop number and I need the actually no, I don't. This is fine. Read song loop song. Does Rust have function overloading by any chance? It might. It's defined multiple times. Okay. Read song segment song format num. Mismatched types. Mismatched types. Gotcha. Buffered. Perfect. Module buffered is private. Really? Okay, I guess I can't do that. To there. 2. type. Okay. Now I should be able to replace all of them. Oh, wait. I don't need to have loop num necessarily. Can I make this optional? Optional I32. Box? Do I have to box the thing? No. Use std option match loop num fill match arms that, otherwise this segment is just loop. Unwrap. There we go. Okay. Current song. Buffered. Unwrap. Do I need to unwrap it? No. What am I doing? Function takes 2 arguments, but 1 was supplied. So option none. I was hoping I could like omit it. Rust default arguments. Oh, okay. This doesn't exist. Cool. Loop num. Box I32. Maybe Okay. Box new loop none. No. Okay. Highlight it. There we go. Read song segment. And equals end. Okay. One more I can replace. Right, so it's transition equal current song from to. I gotta borrow those, I think. No? What? Oh. Perfect. Functions for reading files. Perfect. Cool. There's definitely some skipping in this song I gotta look for. I think it's in this one. Yes. Export OGG. Replace. Okay. Already got that one. Got that one. Which one was that? Song 2. I think maybe that was the start. Okay. All right. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with how this turned out. Remove commented. Yeah, I think the only thing left really to do with this, I mean, without handling this edge case, which I don't really feel like, the only thing left to do with this is to make more loops for it. Yeah. I've been streaming for a good amount today, and I think this is a good stopping point. Thank you to everybody who came out today. Today was awesome. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.